Graptovaria Purple Delight. Hello mga Mars, welcome to my succulents garden. So magpi-feature tayo ngayon mga Mars na isang magandang succulents dito sa garden natin. Walang iba kundi itong Graptovaria Purple Delight. Itong Graptovaria Purple Delight mga Mars, ang karakteristik niya ay they are known for its attractive purple in color and shiny appearance, particularly when exposed to full sunlight, no? So need lang yan ng 5 to 6 hours na direct sunlight per day mga Mars. So during naman sa cooler temperature mga Mars, especially yung autumn season, so much deeper yung purple in color niya mga Mars. At napaka-tolerant din niya sa mga mainit na panahon mga Mars, kasi no need na mag-water sa kanya mga Mars, especially during spring and summer season mga par. So yung Purple Delight is propagated through its stem and leaves cuttings mga Mars, and directly planted into the soil with potting mix and inorganic materials.